Namo Namaha. Welcome back, students, to yet another online session of Sanskrit. In today's class, we are going to continue with our lesson DG Bharatam, that is, Digital India. In the previous session, we have seen that how the various inventions of science and technology transformed nearly every aspect of human life. Communication, transmission of knowledge, education were some of the areas which got impacted by the development in science and technology. In today's class, we are going to continue to look at the lesson DG Bharatam. So let's get started. Here is the next Gadyamshaha. I'll read it out. अधुना आपणे वस्तुक्रयार्थं रूप्यकाणाम् अनिवार्यता नास्ति. डेबिट कार्ड, क्रेडिट कार्ड इत्यादि सर्वत्र रूप्यकाणां स्थानं गृहीतवन्तौ. वित्तकोशस्य चापि सर्वाणि कार्याणि सङ्गणकयन्त्रेण सम्पाद्यन्ते. बहुविधाः अनुप्रयोगाः मुद्राहीनाय विनिमयाय सहायकाः सन्ति. I hope you have understood the pronunciation of words. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah from the given part of the Gadyanshah. I'll mark the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. Nasti, ityadi and chapi. All the three words are the examples of sandhihi. Now let's see the dissolution of these words. Nasti, the dissolution is na plus asti. Ityadi, the dissolution is iti plus adi. And chapi, the dissolution is cha plus api. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshaha. अधुना आपणे वस्तुक्रयार्थं रूप्यकाणाम् अनिवार्यता नास्ति. अधुना now. आपणे in a shop. वस्तुक्रयार्थं for buying goods. रूप्यकाणां money or cash. अनिवार्यता नास्ति is not required. Now money or cash is not required for buying goods in a shop. Now, money or cash is not required for buying goods in a shop. Debit card, credit card इत्यादि सर्वत्र रूप्यकाणां स्थानं गृहीतवन्तौ. Debit card, credit card इत्यादि etc. सर्वत्र everywhere. रूप्यकाणां स्थानं गृहीतवन्तौ. रूप्यकाणां of money or cash. स्थानं गृहीतवन्तौ have taken the place of. Debit card, credit card etc. have taken the place of money or cash everywhere. वित्तकोशस्य चापि सर्वाणि कार्याणि सङ्गणकयन्त्रेण सम्पाद्यन्ते. वित्तकोशस्य of a bank. Sarvani karyani, all the activities of a bank. Sanganaka yantrena sampadhyante are done with the help of computer. And all the activities of a bank are also done with the help of computer. बहुविधाः अनुप्रयोगाः मुद्राहीनाय विनिमयाय सहायकाः सन्ति. बहुविधाः various. अनुप्रयोगाः apps. मुद्राहीनाय विनिमयाय for cashless transaction. सहायकाः सन्ति are useful. Various apps are useful for cashless transaction. Various apps are useful for cashless transaction. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshaha. The word Sarvani is the Visheshanam of the word Karyani. The words Bahuvidhaha and Sahayakaha are the Visheshane of the Vishesham Anuprayogaha. and the word mudrahinaya is the visheshanam of the word vinimayaya. I hope you have understood it. Now let's see Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani from the given Gadyamshaha. There are only two Paryaya Pade. Idanim, the Paryaya Padam is Adhuna. Avashyakata, the Paryaya Padam is Anivaryata. There are two Viloma Pade as well. Anavashyakata, the Viloma Padam is Anivaryata, and Badhakaha, the Viloma Padam is Sahayakaha. I hope you have understood this Gadyamshaha. Now I am taking you to the next Gadyamshaha. Atra asti agrimaha Gadyamshaha. Aham Gadyamsham pathami sarve avadhanapurvakam shrunuta. Kutrapi yatra karaniya bhavet relayana yatra patrasya vayuyana yatra patrasya anivaryata adya nasti. सर्वाणि पत्राणि अस्माकं चलदूरभाषयन्त्रे ईमेल इति स्थाने सुरक्षितानि भवन्ति, यानि सन्दर्श्य वयं सौकर्येण यात्रायाः आनन्दं गृह्णीमः। चिकित्सालयेपि उपचारार्थं रूप्यकाणाम् आवश्यकताद्य नानुभूयते। सर्वत्र कार्ड माध्यमेन ई-बैंक माध्यमेन शुल्कं प्रदातुं शक्यते। I hope you have understood the pronunciation of words. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. Now I'll mark the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. The words are kutrapi, nasti, chikitsalayepi, avashyakatadya, nanubhuyate. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Kutrapi, the dissolution is kutra plus api. Nasti, the dissolution is na plus asti. Chikitsalayepi, the dissolution is chikitsalaye plus api. Avashyakatadya, the dissolution is avashyakata plus adya. And nanubhuyate, the dissolution is na plus anubhuyate. Students, here the words kutrapi, nasti, avashyakatadya and nanubhuyate are the examples of dirgha sandhihi. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation. कुत्रापि यात्रा करणीया भवेत्. कुत्रापि, anywhere. यात्रा करणीया भवेत्, if one wants to travel. If one wants to travel anywhere, रेलयान यात्रापत्रस्य of train ticket, वायुयान यात्रापत्रस्य of flight ticket, अनिवार्यता अद्य नास्ति. अनिवार्यता नास्ति is not required. There is no need. Adya, today. Today, if one wants to travel anywhere, then there is no need of train ticket or flight ticket. Sarvani patrani asmakam chaladurabhashayantre email iti sthane surakshitani bhavanti. Sarvani patrani, all the tickets. Asmakam chaladurabhashayantre, in our mobile. Email iti sthane, in a place called email. Surakshitani bhavanti, are saved. All the tickets are saved in a place called email in our mobile. Yani sandarshya, showing which. Sandarshya, showing. Vayam saukaryena yatrayaha anandam grunhimaha. Saukaryena, comfortably. Yatrayaha anandam grunhimaha. We can comfortably enjoy the pleasure of journey. The translation of the sentences: all the tickets are saved in the place called email in our mobile, and showing those tickets we can comfortably experience the pleasure of journey. चिकित्सालयेऽपि उपचारार्थं रूप्यकाणाम् आवश्यकताद्य नानुभूयते. चिकित्सालयेऽपि, even in a hospital, उपचारार्थं, for receiving treatment, रूप्यकाणाम् आवश्यकता न अनुभूयते. There is no need of money or cash. अद्य, today or now. Now, money or cash is not required for receiving treatments in hospital as well. सर्वत्र कार्ड माध्यमेन, ई-बैंक माध्यमेन शुल्कं प्रदातुं शक्यते. सर्वत्र, everywhere, शुल्कं, bill, प्रदातुं शक्यते, can be paid. Bills can be paid everywhere through the medium of card or e-bank. Bills can be paid everywhere through the medium of cards or e-bank. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see the Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshah. There is only one pair of Visheshan Visheshya Padam. The words Sarvani and Surakshitani are the Visheshane of the word Patrani. Now let's see Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani from the given Gadyamshah. Here are the Paryaya Padani and Viloma Pade. The Paryaya Padani are Darshayitva. The Paryaya Padam is Sandarshya. Sulabhataya. The Paryaya Padam is Saukaryena. Harsham. The Paryaya Padam is Anandam. And there are two Viloma Pade. Kashtena. The Viloma Padam is Saukaryena. And Dukkham. The Viloma Padam is Anandam. Students, some important forms with pratyayas are there in this Gadyamshah. Let's see those forms. Here are the forms. Sandarshya, it has sam upsargah plus drush dhatuh plus nich pratyayah plus lyap pratyayah. Students, nich pratyay is not included in our syllabus. It is given here just for your information. The next form is pradatum. It has pra upsargah plus da dhatuh plus tumun pratyayah. Students, I hope that you have understood this Gadyamshah, and I also assume that you all are writing the important points which are being discussed here. Now, let's move on to the next Gadyamshah. Here is the next Gadyamshah. I'll read it out. Taddinam nati duram yada vayam haste ekamatram chaladurabhashayantram adaya sarvani karyani sadhayitum samarthaha bhavishyamah. Vastraputake rupyakanam avashyakata na bhavishyati. Passbook, checkbook ityanayoho avashyakata na bhavishyati. पठनार्थं पुस्तकानां समाचारपत्राणाम् अनिवार्यता समाप्तप्राया भविष्यति. लेखनार्थम् अभ्यासपुस्तिकायाः कर्गदस्य वा नूतनज्ञानान्वेषणार्थं शब्दकोशस्य वापि आवश्यकतापि न भविष्यति. अपरिचितमार्गस्य ज्ञानार्थं मार्गदर्शकस्य मानचित्रस्य आवश्यकतायाः अनुभूतिः अपि न भविष्यति. एतत् सर्वम् एकेनैव यन्त्रेण कर्तुं शक्यते. Students, there are some corrections in the given part of the Gadyamshah. Let's see what are the corrections. Here are the corrections. Shabdakoshasya and Vapi are the two separate words, but they are given as one word, so make the correction. And the word is printed as AK Neva. It should be AK Naiva. I hope you have made the corrections accordingly. Now let's see the words with sandhi and sanyogah. I'll mark the words with sandhi or sanyogah. Taddinam, nati duram, chaladura bhashayantramādāya, ityanayoho, नूतन ज्ञानान्वेषणार्थं वापि आवश्यकतापि एकेनैव. Now let's see the dissolution of these words. Taddinam, the dissolution is tat with halantata plus dinam. Nati duram, the dissolution is na plus ati duram. Chaladura bhashayantramādāya is the example of sanyogah, and the dissolution is chaladura bhashayantram plus ādāya. Ityanayoho, the dissolution is iti plus anayoho. Nūtana jnānānveshanārtham, the dissolution is nūtana jnāna plus anveshanārtham. Vapi, the dissolution is va plus api. Avashyakatapi, the dissolution is avashyakata plus api. The next word is ekenaiva, and the dissolution is ekena plus eva. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation. Taddinam nati duram yada vayam haste ekamattram chaladurabhashayantramādāya sarvāni karyāni sadhayitum samarthaha bhavishyamah. Taddinam, that day. Na ati duram is not very far. That day is not very far. Yada, when. Vayam haste ekamatram chaladurabhashayantramādāya. Haste, in a hand. Ekamatram, only. Chaladura bhashayantramādāya, ādāya, holding only a mobile in our hand. Sarvāni karyāni sadhayitum, to do. Sarvāni karyāni, all kinds of works. Samarthaha bhavishyamah, we will be able. The translation of the sentence is, that day is not very far when we will be able to do all kinds of works by holding only a mobile in our hand. That day is not very far when we will be able to do all kinds of works by holding only a mobile in our hand. Vastraputake rupyakanam avashyakata na bhavishyati. Vastraputake, in the pocket. Rupyakanam avashyakata na bhavishyati. There will be no need of cash or money in the pocket. There will be no need of cash or money in the pocket. Passbook, checkbook ityanayoho avashyakata na bhavishyati. There will be no need of both passbook and checkbook. There will be no need of both, that is passbook and checkbook. Pathanartham pustakanam समाचारपत्राणाम अनिवार्यता समाप्तप्राया भविष्यति. पठनार्थम, for reading. पुस्तकानां समाचारपत्राणाम अनिवार्यता, the need of books and newspapers. समाप्तप्राया, nearly come to an end. Bhavishyati, will. Samaptapraya bhavishyati, will nearly come to an end. The translation of the line is, the need of textbooks or newspapers for reading will nearly come to an end. लेखनार्थम अभ्यासपुस्तिकायाः कर्गदस्य वा नूतनज्ञानान्वेषणार्थं शब्दकोशस्य वापि आवश्यकतापि न भविष्यति. लेखनार्थम, for writing. अभ्यासपुस्तिकायाः, of a notebook. कर्गदस्य वा, or a paper. नूतनज्ञानान्वेषणार्थं means for seeking new information. शब्दकोशस्य, of a dictionary. आवश्यकता अपि न भविष्यति. There will be no need. There will be no need of a notebook or paper for writing, and there will be no need of a dictionary for seeking new information. अपरिचितमार्गस्य ज्ञानार्थं मार्गदर्शकस्य मानचित्रस्य आवश्यकतायाः अनुभूतिः अपि न भविष्यति. अपरिचितमार्गस्य of unknown paths or roads, ज्ञानार्थं to find, मार्गदर्शकस्य मानचित्रस्य of a guiding map, आवश्यकतायाः अनुभूतिः अपि न भविष्यति means no one will experience the need. No one will experience the need of a guiding map to find unknown paths or unknown roads. एतत् सर्वम् एकेनैव यन्त्रेण कर्तुं शक्यते. एतत् सर्वम्, all of this, एकेनैव यन्त्रेण, only with the help of one device. कर्तुं शक्यते, can be done. All of this can be done only with the help of one device. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Vishesha Padani from the given Gadyamshah. Here are the Visheshan Vishesha Padani. The word Sarvani is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Karyani. The word Samarthaha is the Visheshanam of the word Vayam. Samaptapraya is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Anivaryata. Margadarshakasya is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Manachitrasya, and Ekena, which is given in the form of Sandhihi, is the Visheshanam of the word Yantrena. I hope you have understood it. Now let's see Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani from the given Gadyamshah. Here are the Paryaya Padani. Divasam, the Paryaya Padam is Dinam. Kare athva Panau, the Paryaya Padam is Haste. Gruhitva, the Paryaya Padam is Adaya. Shaktaha, the Paryaya Padam is Samarthaha. Here is one more Paryaya Padam. Rugnalaye, the Paryaya Padam is Chikitsalaye. There are two Vilomapade. Bahu Samipam, the Vilomapadam is Atiduram, and Asamarthaha, the Vilomapadam is Samarthaha. Students, let's move on to the next part, that is the important forms from the given Gadyamshah. The first one is Adaya, which is given in the form of Sanyogah. Adaya has A upsargah plus Da dhatuhu plus Lyap pratyayah. The next one is Sadhayitum. The dhatuhu is Sad and the pratyayah is Tumun. There is one more important form, that is Kartum. Kru dhatuhu plus Tumun pratyayah.
Students, as the lesson is based on the modern theme, the language of the lesson is very simple and easy. I hope you have understood this Gadyamshah. Now let's move on to the last Gadyamshah, that is the Antimaha Gadyamshah of the lesson. Here is the Antimaha Gadyamshah. I'll read it out. Shakadi Krayartham Falakrayartham Vishrama-gृहेषु कक्षं सुनिश्चितं कर्तुं चिकित्सालये शुल्कं प्रदातुं विद्यालये महाविद्यालये चापि शुल्कं प्रदातुं किं बहुना दानमपि दातुं चलदूरभाषयन्त्रमेव अलम्. डीजी भारतम् इति अस्यां दिशि वयं भारतीयाः द्रुतगत्या अग्रेसरामः. I hope you have understood the pronunciation of words. Now let's see the Sandhihi and Sanyogah from the given part of the Gadyamshah.
I'll mark the words with sandhihi and sanyogah. Chapi, danamapi, chaladura bhashayantrameva. Out of these three, the first one, chapi, is the example of sandhihi, and danamapi and chaladura bhashayantrameva are the examples of sanyogah. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Chapi, the dissolution is cha plus api. Danamapi, the dissolution is danam with halantama plus api. And chaladura bhashayantrameva, the dissolution is chaladura bhashayantram plus eva. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation. Shakadi krayartham, for buying vegetables, etc. Falakrayartham, for buying fruits. Vishrama-gruheshu kaksham sunishchitam kartum. Vishrama-gruheshu means in rest houses. Kaksham sunishchitam kartum, to book a room. To book a room in rest houses. Chikitsalaye shulkam pradatum. Chikitsalaye, in a hospital. Chikitsalaye shulkam pradatum, to make the payments of bills in a hospital. Vidyalaye mahavidyalaye chapi shulkam pradatum, to pay fees in a school or college. Kim bahuna means probably. Danam api datum, danam, donation. Danam api datum, to give a donation. Probably to give a donation as well. Chaladura bhasha yantrameva alam. Chaladura bhasha yantram, mobile, alam would be enough. The translation of the sentence is, only a mobile would be enough for buying vegetables and fruits, etc., to book a room in rest houses, to make the payments of bills in a hospital, to pay fees in a school or college, and probably to give a donation as well. DG Bharatam iti asyam dishi vayam bharatiyaha drutagatya agre saramah. DG Bharatam iti asyam dishi means in the direction of digital India. Vayam bharatiyaha, we Indians. Drutagatya means fast, with speed. Agre saramah, are moving. We Indians are moving very fast in the direction of digital India. We Indians are moving fast in the direction of digital India. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani from the given Gadyamshaha. There is only one pair of Paryaya Padam, Paryaptam, and the Paryaya Padam is Alam. There is again only one pair of Viloma Padam, Grahitum, and the Viloma Padam is Datum or Pradatum. Let's see some important forms from the given Gadyamshaha. Here are the forms. The first one is Kartum, Kru Dhatuhu plus Tumun Pratyayah. The next one is Pradatum, Pra Upsargah plus Da Dhatuhu plus Tumun Pratyayah. And the last one is Datum. The Dhatuhu is again Da plus Tumun Pratyayah.
So here ends the explanation of the lesson. As usual, I have selected one of the passages that we have seen today, and I'm going to ask you questions based on it. So get ready to solve the questions.
Here is the Gadyamshaha. Students, take your time, solve all the questions, and then go to the part where the answers are displayed. Let's see the questions. Ekapadena uttarata, sarvani patrani kasmin yantre surakshitani bhavanti. The next one is Chikitsalaye upacharartham kesham avashyakata nasti.
The next question is पूर्णवाक्येन उत्तरत अद्य यात्रायै कस्य अनिवार्यता नास्ति? भाषिककार्य क्वेश्चन्स सुरक्षितानि इति विशेषणस्य विशेष्यपदं किम्? The second one is गृह्णीमः इति क्रियापदस्य कर्तृपदं किम्? And the third one is दर्शयित्वा इति पदस्य पर्यायपदं किं प्रयुक्तम्?
I know you have solved all the questions and are ready with your answers. So now, let's check them. Let's move on to the Uttarani.
एकपदेन उत्तरत सर्वाणि पत्राणि कस्मिन् यन्त्रे सुरक्षितानि भवन्ति? In which device are all the tickets saved? And the answer is चलदूरभाषयन्त्रे. The next question is चिकित्सालये उपचारार्थं केषाम् आवश्यकता नास्ति? What is not required for receiving treatment in a hospital? And the answer is रूप्यकाणाम्. पूर्णवाक्येन उत्तरत अद्य यात्रायै कस्य अनिवार्यता नास्ति? What is not required to go on a journey nowadays? And the answer is अद्य यात्रायै रेलयानयात्रापत्रस्य वायुयानयात्रापत्रस्य अनिवार्यता नास्ति. भाषिककार्य क्वेश्चन्स सुरक्षितानि इति विशेषणस्य विशेष्यपदं किम्? And the विशेष्यपदम of the विशेषणं सुरक्षितानि is पत्राणि. The next question is गृह्णीमः इति क्रियापदस्य कर्तृपदं किम्? And the subject of the verb गृह्णीमः is वयम्. The next question is दर्शयित्वा इति पदस्य पर्यायपदं किं प्रयुक्तम्? And the पर्यायपदम for the word दर्शयित्वा is संदर्श्य. I hope your answers are correct.
So that brings us to the end of the presentation. Students, I have not discussed the exercise today because I want to give it for homework. So try to solve all the questions given in the Abhyasaha and write the answers in your Sanskrit's notebook or on worksheets. We will meet again with the next part. Dhanyavadaha. Punarmilamaha.